Well,
Oh, Jack's turned it right into work. What's wrong, Jack? Did you forget to charge the tub today?
two spark plugs, it's not working.
Well, elbow grease.
It's not working.
There you go.
It's not charged.
See, it would go. I think I drove it so much over the weekend. Let me turn the
Yeah, you
battery.
didn't. You gotta remember to recharge it after you take it
That's
out.
your job.
Maybe a little too much. Well, it's not turkey time yet.
Yeah, next week, that would have Tammy and Ryan from Bath or Jack, glad you can make it for this
I
week.
just flew in and drove in.
Yeah, get a little
Well,
bath in.
again, we drove kids around in that thing this weekend to the big holiday shows, and you know, bath fitters everywhere.
They really are. Like,
Yeah.
I mean, everywhere I go, it's like, tell me how much does Jack love that bathtub? I'm like, he loves
But they
it.
bring display tubs and showers to. They did the Santa shop and the thing in Anderson. Tammy, you're the lady that answers the phone many times when
Sure.
people call.
Yep.
We mention your name and we tell them to get a free estimate.
Yes, sir. That's correct. And Greta's on there as well,
Yeah.
so she handles it. We have the two locations, Arden and Duncan, and we have some great holiday stuff coming up.
I
and
was
know.
hearing something now we're doing like an $800. I know you do that a lot at the home shows. That's a big special, Ryan.
But
That's
it's
huge.
not for-
that
forever.
is
No.
It ends
no,
when?
It ends December 31st.
Yep.
So it's just something for the holidays, and it's $800 off or a free clear chrome shower door. So they get to choose.
You get to
which is better.
choose
Your
which
choice.
one they would like. And
Yeah.
can people, do they have time to get a new tub and stuff before the holidays, like before Christmas?
Yeah.
That's actually,
Tammy laugh, right? Yeah.
well, you know, we can do it in one day, but as far as getting on our installation schedule, we are typically about 6 to 8 weeks out right now because we're so busy. If they want it for Christmas, we have only a few slots left. So, if
So
you
you
hear
can
that,
really
you're
pick
gonna
up the
sign up.
phone and Tammy won't answer it, but Greta will line it up for you. So you could get it done before Christmas?
You could
You
possibly
could.
get it, yes. We really are suggesting that if you're looking to do it before Christmas, you really need to call right now,
Here's the number.
get us out there and take a look at it
There's
because
the
it's
number.
definitely going to do that.
Walk us through, because sometimes I think it's intimidating for people to be like, oh gosh, is this just going to be so crazy and time consuming to even start it? Is it even worth it to start it? So how does it work? The first thing, obviously, is to call you or
Yes,
Greta.
they call us, they let us know what they're trying to do. We do lots of obviously different kinds of work on the bathroom as far as in the tub and shower area. The most common we get is pull out a tub, put it in a shower. That is the
Yeah,
most
people
common.
aren't bathing anymore, if you know what I mean.
A lot of people aren't taking the baths that they used to, and they love those big, huge walk-in showers. They're so pretty, you know.
And as people get older, it's
double
easier
stuff.
to just walk in and you can put a little seat right there in the corner. They
Exactly.
won't
Yeah,
sit
you could
down.
have a
Yeah.
seat. Yeah.
Are these some of the ones that y'all have done? Are these pictures that
Yes.
we're looking at?
Yeah, those
Oh,
are some
wow,
of the
those are
showers
really
and stuff
cool.
that we've done.
But you know, there's a real
baths, yeah.
low threshold one. I had somebody ask me about a wheelchair. Well, if you
Yes.
want to get the wheelchair wet, yeah.
Yeah.
It's just like, what, an inch and a
You
half
can. We
wide?
have a little roll-in base, you know,
Yeah.
that people can actually just roll
Right.
right into. We have the normal step-ups that you have. We have the tubs, obviously, as well. So we
Yeah.
have really nice tubs with the,
combinations.
like, you know, little armrests.
And you
that.
think to ask everybody like these obvious questions when they call, like what are you looking for? And something that she always says is to make sure whoever's going to be bathing in there is a part of this conversation.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, definitely. Anybody who's going to have, I say, bathing in there, have any input into it, you know,
Yes.
they're going to have questions, and they, you know, we want to make sure we get all the questions answered for them.
Yeah.
And if you buy one, I call you after it's over to check on you.
That's right. Yeah, you do.
And I get so many compliments about the installers. This is true.
yeah.
Which y'all are good because you keep it all in the family.
That's right. It is. There's no subcontracting.
Yeah.
All of our installers are hired by us. And they do all the work for us.
And
so-
Ryan, if there's an event going on with 3 or more people, Ryan will have
Yeah.
the display there. What's next?
We're going to be actually, if anybody's going out to the Wofford Furman football game this Saturday, we'll be
Ooh,
out there
that'll
having
be
a
a
display
big, that's
out
a
there.
big rivalry. Yeah.
So we'll be out there on Saturday if they want to take a look.
See, Ryan comes up with these. What's after that?
The next big thing will be the holiday fair here in Greenville, the 4th through the 6th of December. We'll have a large display out there and come in, take a look.
This will be charged. So
This
I
will be
can-
charged.
I
You
can-
can ride in
ride
it.
around in it, take some pictures in the
Ryan
Tubmobile.
knew if you drove it, his knees and shins may not make it. We were worried about you stopping.
I was going to run into
I was
it.
thinking,
I look forward to that.
I know you were. I was saying, if the installation, if you're getting full, you know, maybe Jack can come out and help install.
No, ma'am. These guys
I
are
think I've
professionals.
tried actually telling William I want Jack out there.
Yeah, Jack installed in a Santa hat. There you go.
Oh, not that again. Not that commercial.
We've already had that.
Yes, I love it. 585 Bath, easiest number in the world to remember. Y'all give them a call, and these are the pretty faces that you'll see when you work with them. So thank you so much.
Thank you,
We
guys,
appreciate
very
it. That's
much.
fun.